All right, boys, it's been a week, so we're going to go towards the Reddit right now. If you guys want to talk about the Reddit, I'm going to look at the post that you posted probably over the last week. If you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, if you want to be part of the community, head on over. My head's cut off. Hold on. Heading over to r/Casey King, that is my name, where we have an awesome community, pretty Valorant focused, but you can post any memes in there. We like memes, so if you guys wanted to head on over, do that thing. Also join us on Discord, do that too. And yeah, let's start out. I normally just start out with the top post. I think that's probably the best way to do it, right? What is top? Hot. We go top. No, that's top of all time, I think. We'll just go hot, okay? 5 Duelist meta. If you lock 5 Duelists in my game, I'm going to be very upset with you. I like how they have the 5 Duelists on this team. I thought there was going to be 5 Duelists on the other team when I started looking at it, because there's 3 at the top. No, they have Brimstone and Cypher. Just because you win with 5 Duelists does not mean it's meta. This is something that we've talked about before on the channel. Just because something works doesn't mean it was good or right or smart or any of those things. It just means you have 5 Duelists and it worked out for you that time. Especially in lower ranks, though. I don't think team comp matters really all that much. And look how hard it was. It was a pretty big struggle. It's 13-11, right? It wasn't a clean game. You could win with anything. People don't know how to play the game. People are gonna peek dumb angles. They're gonna throw. They're gonna do whatever. This is gonna take place all the way until pretty much Diamond, where people are just gonna keep making dumb mistakes, you know. And yeah, just because like you picked 5 Duelists and it worked out doesn't mean it's the best choice ever. It's just like when 3 Sentinels was a thing. People are like, oh, 3 Sentinels is meta. No, it's not. 3 Sentinels is a nightmare. Don't run it, please. It's really frustrating when people do that on my team and it doesn't work out. And then they're like, oh, well, we can't push on offense. Yeah, no shit, Sherlock. No, yeah, I wouldn't recommend 5 Duelists. But yeah, it's cool that you won. That'll happen a lot in ranked when you're playing the game. People will just be like, okay, yeah, let's lock 5 Duelists, because they all want to play Duelists. They all think they're the best player on the team. I'm guilty of that as well, but clip of my life ruined. Let's see this, dude.
Eyes down.
Nice collat. Do it again. Nice. Aw, no, dude. I tried to do that the other day on stream. Hold on, let me see if I have the outplayed clip for this. The dude, you can't hear the comms, but I'm kind of trolling this guy on my stream yesterday. It was this game right here. I'm trolling a little bit because I decided I wanted to start opping. I was like, you know what? I want to start opping because I'm bad at opping. And I load into the game, and you can't hear the comms for whatever reason. But this Groot guy, he thinks that I'm new to the game because I'm on an unrated account. I'm still doing my placements on this account. And he's like, oh, I could teach you all the best op locations. And I was like, oh, okay. So he tells me to go up here on the generator. I started popping off, dude. The round starts out. He's like, you know what? Yeah, just stand up here. This is how you do it, dude. I'll reenact it for you guys. Oh, dude, that spot's insane. You're right, man. You're insane. Oh, wait, you're right, dude. This is great. This is great. This is perfect. I just started opping all of them. I ended up dying here. Unfortunately, I could fast forward it for you guys, but I didn't realize the Sage actually pushed up as far on me as she did, and she ends up picking me off, unfortunately. But I don't know. I just thought it was funny, dude. The fun cannon strikes again, dude. The op is so brain dead, dude. But I want to get good at it because I think it's a tool. I think it's a tool, and I think it's a good weapon. And I think that if I learn how to use it, it'll make it easier for me to win some games. You ever have those games where teams are just running at you? They're just running at you and you can't stop them? Buy an operator, dude. Just buy one. It makes it so much easier. Unfortunately, I can't use the operator. So when I buy an operator, I spend $5,000 on a gun that I can't use, and then I end up dying. So that's what we're trying to fix. But oh, is this the Sub-Rosa one? This is. I showed this on stream yesterday, but this made me laugh so hard.
Yo, Omen, go get that flash ready. Go get the flash ready, Omen. Omen, go get the flash ready. No. From here.
No, Omen.
Omen. Over here. Omen, are you fucking kidding me? No. Oh my fucking god. What the
He runs in and dies, and then he reports it. Omen, over here. Over here, Omen. Dude made it all the way to Immortal or Diamond or whatever the fuck he is. He doesn't know the flash. That's the one Omen flash anyone's supposed to know. He's running around the box, giving all the info in the world, dude. Just, oh my god, dude. I think this one's the funniest one. It's just Sub-Rosa's perspective here in a sec.
Run away.
Wait,
Ult, Omen, ult. For the love of God, ult outside A.
Dude, what the
Oh,
fuck
for
is
the
he
love of
doing,
God,
you
click on
fucking
something!
motherfucker!
To your left, 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 peek! Peek and stop the fucking play! Oh my God, we won! Oh my God, we won! No! Peek and fucking stop the play! God fucking stop! I'm gonna break
Fucker,
something.
man! Holy fuck!
Oh god, that's great. That's great. That's great. Quality memes coming in from TSM Subroza. I almost combined their names. Wardroza. No, Wardell and Subroza, man. That was actually posted by Energy Aiden. And I was thinking, dude, that's the way to do it. You see a funny clip on somebody else's stream, yoink that clip, post it to your Twitter. You can at the other two people, probably retweet it, dude. That's how you grow on Twitter. Big brain. I mean, Aiden's already pretty big, obviously. He's from Energy. But like, I don't know, dude. That would be the way to do it. Just yoink somebody else's funny clips, post it to your Twitter. Man, nobody's gonna call you out on that. I like text posts. Let's see this. Am I the only one who thinks ranked is okay? Okay, just watch the King Live video and I can't understand. Am I the only one who is who is okay with rating? Almost all of my friends, teammates are mad. First act of my rank was gold 1, gold 2. In this act, I went for my placements 1, 3, 4 losses. Last act, I was gold 1, peak, silver 2, act rank. And after 4 losses, I got placed in silver 1. And I actually played not a lot. But for me, rating system seems okay. I played LoL earlier, and maybe I'm just the usual to place lower elo when it was before. I see how pros being placed in plat 1, 3, but also I see how fast they ranked up and skipped ranks. If you're actually good, you're going to rank up, so I can't get why everyone is mad at the rank system. Not actually trying to look a badass here, I just can't get it. Okay, so the reason the rank system's like so messed up right now is because it seems to me, from what I've heard, is that a lot of players have kept their MMR. So this was the post that we were reading from Keo earlier, where they kept their MMR from the previous act, but their ranking has reset. So there'll be like plat players playing against other immortal players or radiant players from last act, and their queue times will just be like incredibly long for the top tier players, and for the lower tier players, they'll be playing against like a shitty immortals from last act or something like that, or like diamonds, who are in silver now because they were placed lower, but they were actually an immortal the previous act. So it just seems like the whole rank is just like really messed up for a lot of the higher tier players. I don't think lower tier players are gonna notice it as much. Yeah, it's fine for low elos, but for the D plus it's fucked. Yeah, for lower tier players, you're not gonna notice it as much because all of the ranks are pretty like they're pretty much the same already to begin with. Like gold players they have a little bit better aim than like silver players, but it's not like a crazy difference or anything. Gold players are still pretty bad. No offense to anybody in gold or below, but like so when you have these players playing the same elo, like a gold smurf in like silver territory isn't gonna be broken, right? Or a silver smurf in like iron isn't gonna, or in bronze isn't gonna be terrible. It's when you start getting like these immortal ranks who are stuck in like platinum or even lower than that. Sometimes some of these guys got placed gold. It's really kind of a mess from what I've heard from other people. I'm not an expert on this thing, but I mean, I was like a diamond 1 act rank or something. I got placed gold 1, right? And I like it kind of shows because I climbed immediately through gold. But it's just like when you have so many players who are doing that exact same thing, you have a ton of these players who are just placed low rank. Yeah, they're gonna climb out fast, but it's gonna take like a little bit of time. The act just reset like a week ago or something. Like, yeah, people are gonna be frustrated with the ranks for some time. It'll stable out eventually, but it's gonna take some time, and that's the problem. There's probably a better way they could have done it. I don't know. I'm not an expert on these things, but there's definitely an issue with ranked. It's just less noticeable for lower ranked players for sure.
Killed.
I always love the Omen clutches. Seeing Omen pop off, he's my boy. You gotta be careful for those Roombas that you lit past sometimes, though.
One enemy remaining.
Oh!
Oh, dude, barely got out of there. Oh, he pushes him screens? That's not what I would have expected, but yeah, I guess that's the play. I would have gotten so caught off guard by that Omen. I don't think he would have pushed me screens. I would have probably been moving up here towards heaven, but I guess that's what he expects. So he was just playing that passively. This is why this guy's better than me. No, that was a good play. Whenever I let these Roombas pass me here, dude, they always end up coming back and killing me. Like he like lets it pass right here rather than shooting it. You like hear it going on. This Roomba guarantee would have circulated back around a site and killed me if it were me. I don't know why. That would always happen.
Last player standing.
I always freaking ignore them and they come and kill me. Where can I post VODs if I have any? don't post your VODs. I don't want to see them, okay? I'm gonna say it. I have a link for you to submit them in the description of all my YouTube videos, dude. Everyone keeps asking me to do coaching. I don't offer coaching. I don't. I used to do VOD reviews every now and then. If you really want to submit one, there's a link below the description of the YouTube video. I might grab one and talk about it eventually. But even if like we're gonna do that, it's probably gonna be a Patreon thing in the future. So I don't know, dude. Don't submit your VODs. If you're a Patreon or if you're a patron and you want to hit me a message, be like, hey man, I have this like round. Could you like look at this in a video? Sure, dude. I'll give it a look, or I'll try to anyway. But no, people keep asking me to do like coaching or like, oh, where can I post my VODs? They come into my stream. They've never been in my stream a single time. Maybe they just subscribed to my YouTube channel. Dude, can you do a VOD review for me? They hit me up in a DM on Discord. Hey, can you do a VOD review for me? I don't want to. I don't know who you are. I don't do VOD reviews already to begin with anymore. Like that was an old time thing. We haven't done them in months, homie. We haven't done them in months. People can DM me. Also, heads up, if you're gonna DM me, I'm not opposed to answering DMs, dude. Like it's not like I believe like I'm not like higher than anybody else. Everyone's human, right? We're just people vibing. However, I do get a lot of DMs, and if you're gonna DM me, start with what you want, right? Because I like a lot of people like DM me and they're like, hey King, and it's just like I don't know what you want, and most of the time hey King is followed up with asking me to do something, and I don't want to do things, dude. I'm lazy. So if you like ask me like out front, you're like, hey King, I have this thing going on. I have a video that I made. I would like you to look at my video. Like maybe you send it to me, maybe I do take a look at it, but like I don't know. If you just DM me, hey King, I don't know. I'm not looking to converse, dude. I just like I don't know. I can't talk. I can't be best friends with every single person, you know. Hey King, new viewer here. Was wondering if you could do a VOD review for me. I'm bronze 2, but honestly I could get hired by a team. My aim and game sense and B-hops and sprays and comms are all good. I just lose games because of my teammates and luck. Thanks. By the way, we'll be expecting full 2-hour VOD or video on your YouTube about my insane plays. What I think is weird with like the people with like big egos now who message me and they're like, hey, like if you want me to come on stream, dude, I'll come on stream. Just so you know, like I mean, like I'm an immortal player. if you want me to come on stream, homie, just hit me up. We could like set up like a call or something like that. I'm just like, okay. Yeah, I get those DMs every now and then though. Some dude who just stumbled across my YouTube channel. They're like, dude, you're doing great. I mean, like, it could be better, but like, you're doing all right. You want me on your stream? I'm like, who the fuck are you? I don't even know you, dude. Go bother somebody else. Go bother somebody with like an actual audience, dude. We're vibing here, but I average like 40 viewers or something right now. I'm like, dude, if you're looking for exposure, I'm not the guy. I'm definitely not the guy for that, but I appreciate it, I guess. I love the Brimstone plays. Brimstone he's very versatile. You can run the judge on him. Ooh, I was gonna say that ult might be a little bit too early, but it was actually pretty perfect. Gets the spike down. Now he has a judge in hookah with the spike. Everybody's rotated. This is gonna be a really hard round for those people to win.
They push through.
Good peeks, and now it's a 2v1. The Killjoy's pretty lit 68. They have the Sage res if they need it. Unfortunately, they can't really get into hookah, but it looks like there's somebody outside of hookah they can res. Dude, that's an easy win. Getting that spike down right there, especially when you have everybody rotated. No, it's the worst feeling when you get spiked down and then no one rotates. You're like, guys, I got spiked down. Everyone's ignoring you. I'm like, hey guys, I got spiked down. You say it again. You're like, maybe people didn't hear me. Nobody starts rotating. You're like, guys, get to the fucking spike. Get over here now, please. I have spike down. I don't want to lose this round. I can't hold this alone. I'm gonna hard push by 4 people here in just a second. Can you rotate to the fucking spike? And then they start rotating, but then they're too late. You know, that's a normal encounter for me, a normal verbal encounter. Anyway, though, dude, that's probably gonna do it for this. We're gonna get started on our Yoru game. If you guys enjoy this Reddit recaps, be sure to join the community. Head on over to the Reddit r/CaseyKing. Check us out. Join the Discord. Follow us on Twitch. Subscribe to the YouTube. Do all the things. Check us on a TikTok. We got a LinkedIn page. You can also check us out on the Facebooks. We have the Twitters. You can do all those things. I freaking love you. Yeah, peace out.